morning friends. Today is 1st June 2025. From last 4 or 5 days it has been raining cats and dogs, and the weather is nice. Still no flooding in our area, but some places nearby our home have been caught in artificial flood. In the morning at about 5:30 to 6 a.m. I go for a walk, and while I go for a walk, I wonder how nature has blessed us. I use this moment to thank Mother Nature, how it has blessed us, like so many plants, so many type of insects, birds, etc. Nature is God. If some God is there which we can see, it's nature, and we should always appreciate nature. We should always pray to nature, and we should strive hard to conserve. I don't have any hi-fi special equipments to make videos. I usually do for de-stressing or leisure time. So I don't use any high-end equipments. Still, today I will try to show you some plants that has been growing in our area without much necessary care, and only it requires a small location and favorable weather, and it will grow automatically. It won't disturb you, rather it will help you by emitting oxygen, and it has immense aesthetic value. So guys, let's take a tour with me. Some very ordinary in the sense that they don't need care, they don't need much demand, they are very hardy. So let's go friends. Here we see a very nice plant. It is golden petals. It is a wild variety, big leaves, and it is climbing on a kadam tree. These are some bananas. I don't know the variety. And look, here is a kothal tree. Jackfruit, it is called jackfruit in English, and these are snake plants growing in wild. Very nice. Again some snake plants. This is a croton plant. Again snake plants, so many of it. And this is elephant apple plant. Now today I have walked around 20 minutes, and I have tried to show you as much as possible. This is just a normal vlog, and look at this. Do you notice that? If you know, please comment. It has very medicinal properties. It's bitterness, and we can chew its leaves. We can chew its leaves, and it's very good for gut health. Neem. This is neem. Neem ka patta. As you can see, it's a neem. My video here for today. Thank you very much for joining, and keep watching for such mini vlogs I made only for some leisure purpose. And I will also try to bring some plant care videos for you. I have a small nursery, and I will from time to time I will bring some plant care videos. So please do subscribe. As all YouTubers say, I am also saying do subscribe, comment and subscribe, and like. Thanks very much. Keep watching. Have a good day.